back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one is hiring worldwide. I just want to say thank you for my international subscribers and viewers for hanging tight with me. Work from home job leads are a little hard to come by right now in the holiday season in the US, and the international job leads are becoming even more scarce right now. I have been searching for something. I know most of you want customer service or data entry. I am still working hard on looking for those, but today we have the company Phoenixio. They are hiring an HR manager. Now, Phoenixio was formed in 2018. They are currently home to over 60 brands and websites, and they're working on more in the pipeline. They have a team of special digital marketers, and they are looking for an HR manager to be the HR expert with a passion for managing all of their employees' life cycle. Now, it does say you can work from anywhere on the planet. Their headquarters is based out of London, but they have teams that work remotely all over the world. They are specifically looking for someone to provide comprehensive HR or human resource services to the key stakeholders and their current employees. The day-to-day performance management guidance to line management. You'll provide HR policy guidance and interpretation. You'll provide advice and coaching to all the managers over all the employees' matters, including organizational development, performance reviews, compensation, benefits, employee relations. You'll support any HR processes and initiatives to continuously improve the service that they offer. Of course, you'll run induction for new starters or new employees that are hired, getting them set up on all of their benefits. You'll be part of the HR support team that is focused on providing the best employee experience. And the most important thing, they want someone who can maintain an in-depth knowledge of UK, Bulgaria, and Malta employment law. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, they are looking for someone who has at least 5 years experience in some kind of similar position and can work in a fast-paced environment. They do require you to have a human resources degree. They want someone who has a solid understanding of IR35. Someone who has strong communication skills, the ability to think strategically, the ability to work anonymously and deliver full remote work, and someone who can be flexible and a problem solver. Now, unfortunately, they do not list their pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer quite a few benefits, including paid days off and professional development on ongoing learning classes. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.